What's going on, guys? It's Justin here, and it's PRI 2025, where we come to check out all the cool new race car parts. And we're here with Josh from Trick Flow, checking out some really cool stuff for you Mopar guys. So how's your show going, Josh? And you guys brought a ton of cool new stuff this year.
Yeah, it's a great show so far. We've been really busy. We got a lot of great new stuff to talk about. Starting with this new big block Mopar 295. This is a great new cylinder head, Max Wedge style, really optimized for big displacement builds, big bore stuff. So we dyno tested this over our 270, made over 15 horsepower more than our 270 on a 572, a 4,500 bore Mopar. So you can run it on a smaller bore, but if you really want to get the most out of this cylinder head, you're going to want a big boy, big Mopar.
Yeah, and there is no replacement for displacement. And
That's right.
You guys don't only have these heads, but you have a bunch of other supporting parts for these as well. So let's talk a little bit about those, because it is super, super cool. And you guys have kind of done a little re-engineering and, improved the system, in my opinion.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is coming soon in early 2026. It's our new shaft mount rocker system. Now, what makes this unique is it's designed to use ball style push rods. So we have those right here, but this offers improved push rod oiling for the ball cup interface, as well as allowing you to select your push rod length off the shelf, ready to go. So these are in stock, ready to go. Measure your push rod length, and then we have whatever length you need in 50 thousandths increments for these. The rocker arm setup, super heavy duty, lots of dyno durability testing, spintron testing to validate that everything performs the way we want it to perform. And these are going to be available in 1.5 and 1.6 rocker ratios as well. So this is a great product to help maximize the performance of your engine build and make sure that all the lift that you're asking for out of your camshaft makes it to the valve. Push rod deflection and valve train deflection is a major factor in lost lift and lost performance in a high RPM build.
So the big Mopar 270 is a staple in your guys' catalog. They do awesome. Tell us about some of the improvements that you've made with the 295.
All right, well, the 295, of course, it does have an all-new 295cc intake port. It also has a new combustion chamber and a larger valve. So the 270 has a 2.190 intake valve. This is a 2.225 intake valve. And we really are pushing the limits here as a maximum effort and what you can achieve with a stock valve train geometry big Mopar. So what I mean by that is stock valve angles, stock valve location, doesn't require offset rockers. And with this valve size, this cylinder head does benefit from a big bore. So to get the most out of it, you're going to want to run somewhere in the range of a 4 or 500 bore block with this. But it does make more power than the 270. On our dyno tested, on our 572, we made about 15 horsepower more than the 270 does in that application.
That is awesome. So that just means that the proof is in the pudding. Now, what is the availability on these right now?
These are coming soon, early 2026.
For anything Trick Flow and more, head over to summitracing.com and see the full available catalog. So until next time, guys, I'm Justin with Summit Racing. We have Josh here with Trick Flow, and we'll see you guys later.